Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn about functions of classes. Okay? Functions that belong to a class are called as methods. Okay? Methods are basically functions, but it is just that they belong to a class. Okay? Yes. So now let me take an example. I have details of two employees here. I want to create a class called as employees and then store all these details in it. Okay. So let me quickly do that. So how do we define a class? It is by using class keyword and then employees. This is the name of the class, or you can think of it as data type, and then braces. Here the access specifier, I will tell you about this later, public, and then what are the parameters? String, name, and let me go here, age, height, gender. Okay, age, height, double, and gender. Okay, so let it be character. Okay, we will store either M or F. All right. Yes. So a class called as employees is created. Now let me create an object. So employees is what I want. Employee 1. Okay, employee 1 is the name of the object that I am creating, and now let me store the values. Employee 1 dot first is name is equal to Anil. Employee 1 dot age is 26 and employee 1 dot height is 5.11 and employee 1 dot gender is equal to male. All right, so I have missed this here. Okay, all right, so we have created this. Now let me check if everything is fine. So I'll say employee 1 dot gender and I'll hit run here. Okay, I get M. Okay, so my object, first object is working fine. You know how to create objects, so I won't do it for this. Now we can define functions that belongs to a class in two ways. Okay, one is we can define the function inside the class itself. All right, inside the class, and one is we define outside the class. Okay, we define outside the class. So let us check both of them. All right, so when I say function, the actual name is method because it belongs to class. All right, yes. So let me define a method first inside the class. Okay, inside the class. So here I will say void, and let me say talent. All right, void and talent, and I will have this. You know about creating functions, correct? Void and talent and this, and inside this, so let me have can sing. All right, that is the talent of employee 1, correct? Can sing. So I will have this and I will end it. Now see here, I have defined the function inside the class employees itself, correct? Yes. So now to access it, it is like accessing the attributes. Okay, so here let me remove this for now and let me say employees. Okay, employee 1 not employees, employee1, the name of the object, and dot, okay, dot, what is the name of the function? Talent, okay, talent. All right, so let me run this, and you can see I get can sing as a result. So this is the name of the object, and this is the name of the method or function. All right, method or function, and we call it with the help of dot. All right, yes. So this is how you can define inside the class. Now this basically is not useful because we have fixed this. So let us change it. We can pass arguments, correct? We can pass arguments. Let us do that. So here I'll say tal, okay, tal and string. All right, string and tal. So here I will say tal, okay, and while calling, what will we say? Can sing. All right, so let me run this, and you can see I get can sing as the output. All right, so I'm passing this when calling the function, and it goes to this to get stored here, and that is what is getting printed here. All right, yes. So these are the attributes, and this is the method of this particular class. All right, so let me remove this. So this is how you define it inside the class. So let me remove this, and let this be here, okay, let this be here. Now you can define a function or a method outside the class too, okay, outside the class too. But for that, first you have to declare the function inside the class. All right, you have to declare the function inside the class. So how to do that? So that is by saying void and talent and this, okay, void talent and this. So we have declared it inside the class itself, okay, we have declared it inside the class. Now we have to define it. Defining it can be done outside. All right, so here let me say void, okay, void, and what is the name of the class? Employees, correct, employees, and then you have to use this operator, okay, this operator, and then say talent like this, okay. So we are defining the function outside the class. We have declared it here, but we are defining it here. All right, so here let me say cout and can sing, okay, can sing. All right, yes. So let me check if this works. Let me delete this for now. Let me run this, and you can see I get can sing as the output, okay. Now let me have string tal here and tal here too, and let me pass can dance now. All right, can dance. So let me run this, and it is taking time. I'm getting an error this here because, all right, so here, all right, yes, string tag, okay. So let me run this now, and I get can dance, okay. So here too we have to say that we will be passing arguments, okay, yes. So this is how you define a function outside the class, okay. First declare it inside the class, then define it outside the class using this operator. So first should be the name of the class, and then name of the method or the function, and then define it as usual. Alright. Now, I know that this may be confusing to you. You may be wondering as to how to use this to write a meaningful program. We will do that after a couple of videos. Okay. For now, I want you to believe me and just learn the things that I have taught you in this video. Okay. After a couple of videos, we will create a meaningful program using the concept that we have learned just now. Alright. So go ahead and practice, okay, the things that we have learned in this video. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.